He's gonna be right around where you last saw him. Should be west of that location. Driver is a black male wearing a white t-shirt.
Yeah, I'm 1037. I'm on Broadmoor.
Black male wearing a black
on Broadmoor with that vehicle.
Black pants. What's that place?
Rocky Bay, 1063 for Adam 98.
It's on Broadmoor now. Speeds are 60, no traffic, passing Berkshire.
Speed 60.
So you got the car?
Yeah, I've got it at Broadmoor and Berkshire. I'm in pursuit. Adam 98. Adam 98. Passing Barbara, speeds 50.
Who advised the Johnson address? What was it?
1915 Johnson Street.
Passing Cleveland now, speed 70.
Cleveland, speed 70.
Back at University Cross.
I didn't catch it.
Through the red light.
At University.
Passing traffic.
Broadway and Berkshire.
No traffic now. Just going a bunch of stop signs.
No traffic.
Passing Fillmore. We're going a bunch of speed bumps here.
That's Fillmore.
That's Little Rock that picked it up.
Passing Fair Park.
I believe it was ASC. That's Fillmore.
Passing Tyler. And going
We are passing
north on Harrison.
ASC 2. North on Harrison.
And going east on 10th Street.
He's on 10th
Roll
Street.
the rock out. You got the car?
Passing Jackson Street. And going south on Monroe.
Little Rock 3X40. Are y'all still in pursuit of this?
Street, south on Monroe.
Yes, ASP Adam 98. South on Monroe at Charles Bussey. West on Charles Bussey, south on the next street over. God dang, dude. We're going back towards University. Got anyone just hanging around there?
I'm at 12th and Jonesboro trying to wait on y'all to come back out.
Alright, we're west on 22nd from Harrison. Passing Fair Park.
We're passing it.
I think I'm south on Tyler now. West on 26th.
Roll the rock. He's currently in pursuit south on Bussey, I think.
South on Fillmore. And west on 28th.
49 on the end.
Alright, call it for me. God dang it! Fuck!
Coming up to the University. Straight across. Make a left on Belmont. He's about 40.
Yeah, I'm not sure if he went down this way anymore. He may have blacked out. He went over a hill. I couldn't see him.
Any updates anywhere? There's Little Rock units headed westbound on Asher right now coming to University. Looks like they're all westbound on Asher. There's two of us going in both directions. I'm not sure where we're going.
We're back in the Broadmoor neighborhood. I lost him for now.
You lost that. And I'm at about Broadway.
God damn. We're in the Broadmoor neighborhood off of University. I've lost him. At a 90 Little Rock. I'm going to shut it down for now. I can't see him.
Yeah, where'd you lose sight of the map?
I believe it was at Bellevue.
You guys have North Little Rock or Little Rock in area with you? Have one Little Rock unit behind me. 98. Where did you last see him at?
Last saw him at Broadmoor and I believe it was Bellevue, and he went over a hill. I couldn't see him after that.
Somebody backtrack to that intersection where you're going to get moved over that hill.
10-4. I'm pretty sure he blacked out and just made a turn down there, but I never saw him.